Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Aisha Tariq is here. Today I'm going to make a special and it's economical and no need to buy from the market or from the shop. So I have 1 liter of all-pairs here. This is evaporated milk and just only 2 ingredients, and I have 1 cup, half cup of vinegar. So we are going to put this one here in container casserole. First, I have to mix this vinegar here, and then we have to boil this one. And this is my first time to make. Inshallah, this will be successful. And this is a half cup of vinegar. So, ayan. I-mix natin bago natin isalan sa sa stove para ma-mix yung vinegar. Nakita ko lang ito sa YouTube. So, ito mag-experiment din ako. Gagayahin ko din. Sana hindi maging palpak. Ito na, isasalan na natin. Bismillah. Yung apoy niya ay medium. And then, we have to start now halo-haloin. Stirring. This kind of vinegar I use. One liter na all-purpose Tetra Pak. Ito na yung cheese cream. Ayan. Ayan. Ang tagal maluto. Umabot ng more than 10 minutes siguro. Ayan, naging cheese na. Ay, cheese cream. Ayan, so turn off na natin ang flame. So we will transfer now here in bowl. Ayan. May pang palaman na sa sa bread. If you have fresh milk, yung yung cow o kaya buffalo, mas maganda siguro. Ay walang available na na cow's milk o kaya buffalo, kaya Tetra Pak itong ginamit ko, all-purpose. Ayan. Yung Nestle cream, parang Nestle cream siya, oh. Ayan. I made homemade cream cheese using this Tetra Pak of all-purpose. 1 liter of milk equivalent for this one bowl. Ayan, oh. Cream. May pangpalaman na ako sa sa bread o kaya chapati.